What's up, my people? This is your girl, Lock Looney Tune. We are on day 17 of the 100 Crunches a Day challenge in August. Day 17. So proud. Once again, so proud of you guys who are sticking with this challenge. I notice you guys are getting better and better at your crunches. I, too, am getting better. I seriously thought that I was not going to be able to do 100 crunches in one sitting. And I did. I was able to, I said I was going to spread them out, 10 a day, 10 about every hour or 20 every hour. No, I'm sitting out and I'm knocking out 100 crunches in about 5 minutes. And that is an accomplishment. It's an accomplishment for me. I'm sure it's an accomplishment for you guys who are knocking these crunches out just like that. Some of you guys, like I said before, you guys are doing sit-ups. I've seen people doing standing crunches. I've seen people doing, my girl Way to Go, she's doing them in a chair. Keisha, she's doing them on her bed. Wherever you can get them in, get them in. I appreciate all you guys doing everything that you guys are doing. A couple of days ago, we reached the halfway mark, and to reward myself, what I did was, and I did not, let me repeat, I did not reward myself with food. You guys know how that can be. Do not reward yourself with food. So today, I decided to do my makeup. I do my makeup occasionally. I don't always come through here with makeup on, but today I just went ahead and did my makeup. I did a little gothic look. I actually like this look because it's probably one of my favorite looks because black is my favorite color. So I love doing a look like this. But my reward for reaching that halfway point was my new shoes. This is my new shoe. This is a leather wedge. I don't wear heels. I only wear wedges because of the stability. It's a black leather wedge that I got from Shoe City, actually. And if you see the wedge, the print design on it, this dark line right here, the really, really dark one, it's not black, it's a dark blue. So it's in dark blue, dark gray, and light gray and white. As you can see, it is open-toed. Yeah. This is my new shoe. I loved it when I saw it, and I just had to have it. I was like, yes, this is my reward. Thanks to you guys, I've been able to keep up with this 100 Crunch a Day challenge. I know it was me that started the challenge, but you guys are the one that motivated me to keep going and to keep striving, and I appreciate all of you guys for that. In this vid, I will show you guys, once again, I will show you guys my crunches for the day, as well as I will show you guys a body shot, a recent body shot, but I will also be showing clips of my past pictures. Some of you guys have seen some of these pictures already. I think a couple of them you might not have seen. Those of my new supporters on my channel, you might not have went back and looked through all of my videos. So I'm showing some of the pictures of my weight at the beginning of my journey and how it's progressed. So you guys will see some pictures of me when I was just, oh my God, I was just ready to I just felt like I was going to die. I was very, very large. I was, my first recorded weight since this journey started was 311 pounds. I keep saying this because 311, I'm far away from 311, and I'm very happy to say that. I haven't weighed myself nor took my measurements recently. I will probably do that in the next couple of days or so. I don't expect my weight to go down much if it's increased at all, because I do know that muscle weighs more than fat. But I will be taking my measurements as well. But I just want you guys to see the progression, because this is how I see it. I don't really, I can feel myself getting better. I can feel myself getting more energy. I can feel myself doing things that I wasn't able to do years ago because I was so overweight. But it's hard for me to look in the mirror and actually see weight loss. I can't see it in the mirror. What I can see it in is pictures. Other people can tell me that I'm losing weight, but I can't see it myself. I still have that quote unquote big girl mentality where I still think I am the biggest thing walking around. So, with that said, thank you again to everyone who is joining this challenge. We are on day 17. We do not have that many days left to go. Please, everyone, please stay on your grind. Please do not give up. Please stay motivated, stay accountable, and most of all, please stay strong. I just want you guys to don't think of your crunches as condemnation. Don't think of it as something that, oh my God, I gotta do crunches. Don't think of it as a job. Make it fun. Be anxious and look forward to it. Look forward to getting your crunches in. Don't look at them like, oh, I gotta get my crunches in, because you're not gonna want to do them. You know, I look forward every day to getting my crunches in. Even when I don't want to do them, I look forward to the next day where I can get down and do my crunches. So, that's all I want to say is just try to make it fun. Have fun with it, because if you don't have fun during this weight loss journey, it's really going to be even more difficult for you if you don't try to have fun with it. Dance, get out there, do whatever you need to do to make it fun for yourself. So, with that said, I'm going to take you guys to the crunches, all right, guys? So, I will holler at you next time, all right? Later. Peace.
Well, there's a bridge and there's a river that I still must cross as I'm going on my journey. Though I might be lost, and there's a road I have to follow, a place I have to go. Well, no one told me just how to get there, but when I get there I know, 'cause I'm taking it step by